The gang, what's going on YouTube? It's boy KINGYT back with a video today. If you guys know, I'm here with another reaction, and I mean, was going to upload two videos in the same year, but like the other video I recorded, bro, it wasn't that funny, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna record two. Gym fails, you know what I mean? Or whatever I name, I remember what name is it, but record to gym fails today, you know what I mean? So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Please drop a like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to share, you know what I mean? And yeah, turn on that post notification, you know what I mean, so you can get notified. And anyways, let's get into the video. So recording starts now. Let's get into the video. You know what I mean? Recording starts now. Video play. Damn.
Bring it up like this. Make sure your elbows are pointing up. And push up, just like you're pushing up the wall.
The sky for life, bro.
Той так вот.
The heck? That fear me there, man. There you go. Me sick of it. I never got gym yet, I don't even know if I saw that today. But damn, nigga.
Det er totalt underkontrolleret forhold, det her.
You forgot to your man part, bro. Damn, nigga.
Holy fuck!
We need to start guy gym. And none of them sitting there, not gonna be me. None.
22. Easy peasy.
See if we got ups. I got hips problem per se like that. Like,
Ayo.
nigga got that crutches so close to his 6'9", the hell? Are you okay? Damn, bro. That not to be heavy like that, bro, but damn, but heavy.
Ouch! Don't bite my feet, bitch! What the fuck? Stop it! What are you trying to do? Nixon! Stop it! Try to work out, bitch! Nixon!
In the sunlight. In the sunlight.
Get away!
In the sunlight. And I mean, if you hear me here, then you probably know me that.
Tryk til, tryk!
Damn, nigga.
Ready?
Bro,
Go.
double punch. That was slap.
Stop,
Oh,
stop,
shit,
stop.
shit.
What happened?
That is just lazy. Lazy 2.2. Okay. Nice record. Good session.
Ooh, watch out.
And she trying to be freaky. Ah, shit, nigga. Oh, bro. That scar me for life, bro. Oh. Nah, bro.
Oh, Jesus.
Ah, I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna bombard learn. I mean, that he needs to learn.
Today
Like.
I'm in the video of me lifting 50 kilo for the first time. Okay? So let's see how it's done.
50 kilo. Damn, I'm pretty sure I'm that weak, bro. Okay.
Oh my gosh. That was a fail, guys.
Damn, bro. It's like that going to be the end of the video, you know what I mean? If you enjoy the video, please drop a like, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification. You know what I mean? Don't watch this from my face, but I'm not probably up and I say, oh my god, what's that? Pump. Okay. But yeah, you already know do my KINGYT and lip on the bitch, bro. Let go.